Hello, and welcome to a Counterpart Solutions Smart Council Tour. In this quick demonstration, John would like to report a stolen or lost bin, using the integrated customer and property solution. Giving John the opportunity to report a stolen or lost bin through the solution provides council with the data required to maintain customer satisfaction. This is ensured by utilizing information such as the individual bin serial number. Welcome to the Smart Council portal, where John can find all waste-related requests or search for them directly. When he selects Report a Stolen or Lost Bin, John can read through the knowledge article to view any request-specific information. If John knows he meets the criteria, he can proceed and provide the property address the bins are associated with. Once the address is provided, John can select the individual bins that are stolen or lost, and the options he can select from are determined by the address he has entered. By linking bins to a property, this ensures that the customer can identify their original bins via the serial number and bin choices. Next, John can provide his contact details. Review his selections and submit. Once submitted, John will be presented a confirmation screen and he will also receive a system automated confirmation email. John has now reported a stolen or lost bin for his council property. Thank you for taking the time to watch this Smart Council tour. If you would like to know more about Counterpart Solutions and the Smart Council product, please contact us at info@counterpartsolutions.com and request a demo today.